Pakistani Zindabad. Pakistani Zindabad. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy this evening to talk about Pakistani. You can't imagine my love for Pakistani. Pakistani Zindabad. I was asking myself, oh, okay then, Victor, you are not from Pakistan. What can you do for Pakistan? What love do you have for Pakistan? Oh my God, I told myself, Victor, relax. Pakistan is the best country. I want to go to Pakistan. I want to be a Pakistan. Pakistan is Zindabad. You know, and I was just sitting down. Then I realized the dancing mood of Pakistan. You know, the way they shake those, you know, do you understand? Do you understand this? Huh? The way they shake their, huh? Pakistani! And my friend here cooked me chapati. Chapati. Oh, chineke chapati. My love for Pakistan, my love for the capital city, my love for Lahore, my love for the Pashto people, my love for Punjabi people. Pakistan is Zindabad. Huh? You know, and I was asking myself, okay then, if I know Pakistan, what is a good thing that can happen to me, something special in my life about Pakistan? Do you know how Pakistani are very important, even in the Quran? Even in the Quran, Pakistan is Zindabad. Allahu Akbar. Pakistani has protected the Quran, always in the front for the Quran. You know, I see sometimes people demonstrating, some people are just saying, oh, I don't know, Pakistani has terrorists, oh, I don't know Pakistan. Oh my God, how can you say that Pakistan? I have not been there, but I went through a journey in Google app and I was watching online the beautiful areas of Pakistan, how they look, their sea, their mountains to the western part. Pakistan is Zindabad. Pakistan is Zindabad. There is no country in this world that is more stronger than Pakistani. It's only Pakistani. 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 Even me, I love Pakistani because Pakistani is a God-given country. I was watching the news the other day and they were talking about the Prime Minister, I don't know, Nawaz Sharif, and I don't know what he did, and I don't know this corruption, and they removed him from... This is a great country if they removed the Prime Minister because he was corrupt. I'm so happy. This is the country which we are talking about. The country of God. If someone is corrupt, remove him. And the other day when a small girl was killed, peace be upon all of this young girl, I saw people full of passion go to the streets. These people going and demonstrating in unity against the rise of insecurity, against the rise of inhuman things happening in Pakistan. And I love it because the spirit of that young girl is going to rest in peace. And this is where I love Pakistani. Pakistani Zindabad. Pakistan people, just the best people in the world. I have 3 friends actually from Pakistan. Fatima Haslam, and actually they told me that Fatima is a girl, it's a very famous name in the Quran. Oh my God, I'm so happy to hear that. And I have this other boy called Iftihar, and I have another boy called Navid Khan. All are Pakistanis, and we study together. The way they teach me, the good things they teach me. The other time I'm going to talk to you, what I have learned in the Quran. Just because of my love for Pakistan. Because I want to relocate from my country, from where I'm studying, and just go and stay in beautiful, beautiful Pakistani. I hope, guys, that you are going to help me come and greet you in person in Pakistan. I want to meet all of you in Pakistan. I want to say hello to everyone of you, and you can at least see a man who wants to be in Pakistan and he's black. I'm from Africa, but I want to be in Pakistan. I wish I was born in Pakistan. Anyway, next time, let's meet again, and we are going to talk more about Pakistan. Pakistan, Zindabad. Now, guys, don't forget, for Christ's sake, don't forget to like the page. If you like the page, it's going to be the best thing. Being Pakistani is the page I'm talking about. Being Pakistani. Like the page. We shall meet every day at this time as I speak about Pakistani. See you.